So hey guys, so I want to do a quick little video because I've heard a lot of you guys having problems with this weather stripping up here. If you can see it here, my car's pretty dirty, but if you can see, it pulls away right here. And what happens is when this gets really dry, it'll crack on you, just like any other weather stripping. But this one, you know, I mean, you have weather stripping around the doors and stuff, but this one's the location that it is, and it's a real thin material. It will crack really easy. And a lot of you guys have been posting how it'll actually chunk off. And in my older car, I didn't really take care of this, and it got brittle, and it was not flexible like this. If you try to do that with yours, it should bounce right back like that, being flexible. Once it dries out, it'll be stiff, and then it's gonna start cracking. So the best thing to do is just put whatever product you guys are using for like your seats. You know, I use 303 Aerospace. So then what you wanna do after you wash it, just put a little bit of 303 on a rag, or Mother's or Meguiar's, whatever you guys use, to protect like vinyl and rubber and that kind of stuff. And just wipe it, do it once over and wipe it all the way down here and let it soak in. You don't have to really rub it, you know, it's on the outside. And just let it soak in. I do that, I would say probably once a month is all it needs. And this is almost 2 years old here. And you can see, if you can focus here, you can see how it's flexible. And that's all you're wanting really, too. So yeah, this car is just about 2 years old. So just want to share that tip with you guys. And also, if you have a sunroof, I don't have one, but my wife's car does. Highly recommend doing the same thing. You know, putting it around the sill, opening the sunroof up, and then putting it around the top edge, especially. That'll help as the car ages. They like to squeak a lot. When you go over like a transition, you'll hear it squeaking, just the flexing of the body. It'll help keep the sill soft. And then also water leaks. A lot of the reasons why water will leak in the sunroof is because the weather stripping is dried out on it. So they don't really tell you that. So just when you guys detail your cars, just hit the sunroof. And then also, don't forget this. A lot of people don't even think about it, and I didn't either until I saw this online, that you should put some conditioner on this too. So just want to share that with you guys so you avoid some problems, you know, having to replace this. If it cracks, looks kind of ugly, you're gonna see a gap in there, you get dirt in there, you know, and it might even start leaking. And then the sunroof, for sure, it'll make it quieter, and then it'll also prevent it from cracking, you know, so it'll just be a nice smooth operation. So just a quick little tip I want to share with you guys if you didn't already know. Hope everyone's doing good. Appreciate all you guys' support. If you haven't, please hit that like button and subscribe. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you guys next time. Thanks again.